Hi guys, welcome to session 2 of our finance assessment. This week we're asked to calculate your weekly take-home pay using an ATO calculator, which I'm going to show you in a second. Create a weekly budget in Excel for the following, okay? So rent, groceries, household bills, subscriptions, transport. Again, I've hyperlinked all these, socializing, and then savings, okay? So first thing I did was I went to Excel and I entered all those things in, right? And then, so this is actually a calculation. So my income, I'm going to have to do in a second. But basically, my total expenditure is equal to the sum, just adding all of these together. It's equal to the sum of bracket B3, and then I do this colon down as far as B10, and then close my bracket. So at the moment, it's 0, but if I put in an answer here, look, if I just put in 2, it adds it for you, right? I'm going to put them back to 0. I'm just showing you it adds it for you. And then my total savings essentially is going to be equals the sum, open up a bracket. So it's going to be my income, which is B1, minus my expenditure, which is B13. Close bracket, enter. At the moment it's 0, but if I change this answer to 3, and I change this answer to 5, that becomes a 2. So that's showing you how that automatically does it for you in Excel, okay? And that you can watch that nice and slowly if you want. If you don't understand it first day, looking at it right there, you can watch it nice and slowly. So next thing it asks you to do, it asks you to calculate your weekly take-home salary using the ATO pay-as-you-go calculator. So I'm going to follow that link, and it asks me to insert my income. Now, last session, I discovered my income, my annual income, to be this. So I'm going to take this number. I've obviously saved that somewhere. I'm going to go back on the internet, and I'm going to put it in here. I'm going to calculate. So per week, your take-home pay per week is this much money, right? So that's how much I actually earn. That was what I earned. That's what I said I earned. But I actually only take home this much. The reason I only take home that much is because I get taxed. So it's $902.81. So I'm going to put that into my budget up here, okay? So $902.81, okay? So next thing I need to do is calculate rent. If I go back to my document, I go to find how much rent is. So again, I'm going to follow the thing here. I'm going to go online. I'm going to go Hoppers Crossing. This is where we live at the moment. I'm going to say I'm going to rent a place with my 2 mates. So there's going to be minimum 3 bedroom. And then I'm going to just search, right? I'm going to do the first one. I don't want to pay too much in rent. I want a nice bedroom. I'm not going to spend too much time doing this. I'm going to say this one, right? I don't know how much this is. I look at the place. Oh yeah, that looks nice. Perfect. Cool. So $360. There's 3 of us in it, right? So that's $360. There's 3 of us in it. So obviously I go 360 divided by 3 equals $120. So my portion of rent a week is $120. Yeah. Next thing asked you to do is to groceries. Again, there's a hyperlink here. Follow the groceries hyperlink. And it brings you to the statistics website from MoneySmart. MoneySmart's actually excellent. So it's asking me groceries. So if I roll down here, and it says this is the weekly spend by life stage. Okay, so your life stage is a lone person under 35. So on groceries, food and drink, it says I spend $122 a week. That's $122 a week. It's going to be the same for everyone, okay? The hyperlink actually brings you to the same website for the next one, for household bills. It brings you to the same website, right? So that's saying I spend $24 a week on that, right? So $24 a week, okay? Netflix. So I want Netflix where in the house. So what I do is I just go on the internet. I look up, again, I follow this link. So I've hyperlinked it all for you. So how much does Netflix cost? Right, so price per month. So we're doing standard. We're doing simultaneous screens. There's three of us in the house. We all want to watch it ourselves. So we're going to say it's $17.99 a month. So $17, $17.99 a month. Actually, no. You're going to have to do it for that. I'm going to change it slightly. I'm going to do it just because I want to be selfish and do it myself. However, you decide you want to be cheaper and we want to see which one works out cheaper. So I'm saying it's the guys in my sharing would actually want to watch Foxtel or Stan or something, and I don't want to pay for it. So that's per month. So multiply it by 52 to get how much it is a year. And that's wrong, that calculation. I can see already. 999 times 50, not 52, times 12. 999 times 12, because that's per month. So there's 12 months in a year. And then I divide my answer by 52. I was doing it wrong, guys. Divide my answer by 52 to get weeks. So it's only $2.30 a week. I still need to put in my budget, right? $2.30 a week, because I know it's coming out every single week, right? Transport. I'm getting the train. Okay, my job is in the city. I need to get the train. Again, I go back to this website. I look up how much the train is a week. Tram zone, how much it is. I've worked it out, and it's actually cheaper to get the weekly ticket. The weekly ticket for 2 zones is $44. Expensive, but such is life. $44, right? So then my phone bill, right? So again, it asked me to do some research. I go to my phone bill. I just look up here. Again, I follow this link. Brings me to this link here. So I'm going to say I already have my mobile phone. Maybe you don't. Maybe, if you're currently on a plan, you might know how much it is. You might even need to know how much it is. But I want a monthly plan at least. I don't want a 28-day one. So, and I want a decent network. $50. I'm just looking here. Vodafone. I'm going to Optus. I'm just going to put Optus. I'm just going to get rid of all the rest of them. See if I'm even getting a good deal. I don't know. I could be getting a bad deal. Optus prepaid 28-day. Cash Connect. Moves Catch. Optus prepaid 28-day. I'm just going to say this one. Look, it's more about calculation. I don't know what I'm doing. So $40, right? But that's for 28 days. So if I'm saying it's $40 for 28 days, $40 for 28 days, right? How many weeks in 28 days? So there's 7 days in a week. It's 28 days is what it's for. So it's 28 divided by 7 is 4. So there's 4 weeks in 28 days. If it's $40 for 4 weeks, divided by 4, therefore it's obviously $10 for 1 week. It's costing me $10 my phone a week, right? So I need to put that in here. 10. Next thing I want you to go on is find out your internet. Again, you go online. I'm just gonna look at the very first one, right? It's unlimited data, TPG, $69.99. That's a month, right? So it's 69. I'm actually going to choose an expensive one so that you can't copy me. $90, right? So Tesla's $90 a month. So you obviously want to do cheaper because you're going to save more money that way, okay? So $90 a month. There's 3 of you sharing the house. So first of all, you're going to divide your answer by 3. So it's costing you $30 a month. But we need to do a weekly budget. So to do a weekly budget, how many months in a year? There's 12 months in a year. So it's going to cost you that much a year. And then there's 52 weeks in the year. So you divide it by 52. That's my answer. It's costing me $6.92 a week. $6.92. Okay. So here minus So I haven't actually calculated this. I forgot to put in. So here, the total expenditure is equal to the sum, close bracket, and then I'm just going to highlight all these cells, close the bracket, and then that's how much I'm sending. Okay, that's how much my total expenditure is. I'm saying I know I go to the cinema, go for a few drinks with mates, whatever you do, coffees. I'm saying I want 150 bucks just to knock around. So I'm actually saving a lot of money from considering the budget I'm on. It's probably unrealistic, to be honest. It's probably costing you more than that, but who knows? Maybe you. Obviously, savings will be everything. You need things like clothes, etc. Right? So you mightn't always save that much a week. You might go buy clothes. You might be saving for a holiday. Other things will come into your budget. Okay. But that's it for now. That's our budget for now. I'm happy with that. Okay. So that's our detailed budget. So if I look back here, I've done that. I've said savings. I've just said how much I would like to socialize with. I've calculated it all. That's it for now. The next session we're going to look at a car loan, and then we're going to have to readjust our budget accordingly. Okay. So have a go at that. Best of luck.